What's up, everybody? How you doing? Welcome back. My name's Julian McClurkin. Welcome to the Julian McClurkin channel. Now I got this beautiful home here for you, right here in Grove City. Amazing property. You're gonna love this. Come on with me. Huge living room, family room. I don't really know what the difference is between a living room and a family room, but maybe you do. You can use this for either. You saw we had a front office up there. You got this big, massive family room, and you know it's big because I'm big. So I'm 6'8". These ceilings are taller than that. Come on into the kitchen, let's check it out. Now you got Formica countertops, but they look like granite. Right here, stainless steel appliances. Got Samsung. They don't just make cell phones, y'all. Love this fridge. French doors. Hola. That's French, right? I don't think so. All right, let me take you on upstairs. Come on with me. All right. Now, normally when people go through tours, they always show you the master bedroom first, but I wanted to show you this loft area because this loft area is great. It's good for entertaining. This could be a cool little spot for the kids to play around. Really a great area right here. Now, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. Here's one of the bedrooms, nice size. Take you to the next one. It's always sunny in this room. Sunshine. Another bathroom. Bathrooms are pretty standard. You have laundry right here. That's the laundry room. And what's really cool about the laundry room, it's right here next to the owner's suite. Check out this owner's suite. Got the vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. This area over here, I don't really know what that area is for. Use your imagination. Speaking of imagination, imagine waking up and taking a shower in this nice walk-in shower. Got a huge closet in here. This closet came after the home was built. Definitely a nice built-in. So look, that's it for upstairs. I'm gonna take you to the basement real quick. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let's go. This is probably a good time to like and subscribe to the video. You hear me? Come on down to the basement. Now, if you're not from Ohio, you're probably not used to basements, but this basement is huge. Absolutely huge. It keeps going all the way back there. Now, they already started finishing some of it. They put a little bit of drywall over the ductwork, got drywall on the ceilings. Now, this is a very nice basement because you can count this towards your finished space if you were to just put a little egress window right here, and it's already 8-foot ceilings. So that's great as well. One of my favorite features of the basement though, you wanna look for this when you're buying houses. This house was built in 2017. This is a poured wall. All right, not concrete blocks, it's not on a slab. This is a poured wall. Really good feature. All right, I'll take you guys back outside and close it out. So that's it. This home can be yours. Make sure you reach out to me if you're interested in something like this. Like I said, it's a new build down here in Grove City, which is about 17 minutes from downtown Columbus. All right, make sure you hit like and subscribe, shoot a comment. I'm gonna close that garage a little bit later. But until next video, guys, see you next time. Peace.